Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to convert pie chart into bar chart in Excel. So let's start is my Excel and here you can see I have a data, I have a category list and total price. So here I'm going to first create the pie chart. Simply select the data, you just drag with the mouse and select here entire data. Then go to the insert tab in charts group, click on the pie chart option and select here 2D pie, the first pie charts. Okay, so here you can see your pie chart is inserted with the chart design tab and format tab. Now here I'm going to convert this pie chart into the bar chart. Simply click on it and go to the chart design in type group. Click on the change chart types and here you can see the one dialog box open change chart type. Okay, here you can see the list of chart is available. Simply click on the bar chart and here you can see the all types of bar chart is also available. Simply click on it and check here the preview. After that select the preview and click on OK and that's it. Here you can see your pie chart is converted into bar chart. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.